Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about mountain building. But before discussing about mountain building, first I will discuss about mountains and their classifications. Mountains are the second order relief features on the earth's surface. A mountain can be defined as an area of land that rises abruptly on the surface of the earth from the surrounding regions. And nearly 27% of world's land surface are covered by mountains, and 80% of planet's fresh water comes from the mountains. It may be in the form of mountain ranges, mountain ridges, and mountain chains, and also mountain groups, and in the form of cordillera. Here is mountain ridge. Mountain ridge is a system of long, narrow, and high hills, and its one side slope becomes steep and other side slope becomes moderate slope. And here is mountain range. Mountain range is a system of mountains and hills having several ridges, peaks and valleys. And here is mountain chain. Mountain chain consists several parallel long narrow mountains of different periods. And here is mountain system. Mountain system consists several mountain ranges of same periods. And mountain group. Mountain group also consists several unsystematic patterns of different mountain system. And here is cordillera. What is cordillera? Cordillera is community of mountain having different ranges, chains and mountain system. Western part of North America is example of cordillera, or you can say western part of North America also called as cordillera. And if we talk about the classification of mountains, then we can classify it on the basis of mode of origin, on the basis of period of origin, and on the basis of location. Then first let's see what are the classification of mountains on the basis of location. If we divide mountains on the basis of location, then first is continental mountains and second is oceanic mountains. And continental mountains also divided into two parts. First is coastal mountain and second is inland mountain. Coastal mountain like Rockies mountain, Andes mountain and eastern and western Ghat of India. And inland mountains. Inland mountains like Himalayas and Wasatch mountain. And if we talk about oceanic mountain, then Mount Mauna Loa in Hawaiian Island is oceanic mountains. Hawaiian Island is situated in the North Pacific Ocean. And if we talk about on the basis of period of origin, then mountain can be classified into four parts. First is Precambrian mountains, second is Caledonian mountains, and third is Hercynian mountains, and fourth is Alpine mountains. And on the basis of mode of origin, mountains can be classified into four parts. First is fold mountains, second is black mountains, and third is volcanic mountain or accumulated mountain, and fourth is residual mountain or relict mountains. Let's first understand fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed due to compressive force which originated from the endogenetic process, and synclines and anticlines are also part of fold mountains. And fold mountains can be classified into two parts on the basis of period of origin. First is old fold mountains and second is new fold mountains. Old fold mountains are formed before tertiary period and like a Caledonian and Hercynian period. And new fold mountains are the alpine mountains of tertiary period like Himalayas and Andes and also Rockies. And sediments are found in greater depth in the fold mountains, and fold mountains are found along the margin of continents facing ocean. And let's understand black mountains. Black mountains are also formed by the compressive force and tensional force, and downlifting and or uplifting of land between two normal faults are called as block mountains. Here is figure of block mountains. This is Rift Valley are called graben, and here is block mountains because this part of land is downlifting and this part of land is uplifting. It is called block mountains, and uplift part is also called as host and down drift part also called as graben. And here is the example of block mountains. The Sierra Nevada in North America and Black Forest in Germany are the examples of block mountains. And if we talk about volcanic mountains or accumulated mountains, then volcanic mountains are formed due to accumulation of volcanic materials, and its example is Mount Mauna Loa in Hawaiian Island. It is situated in North Pacific Ocean, and it also is the oceanic type mountain. And if we talk about residual mountain or relict mountains, then residual mountains are formed due to weathering. Sometimes what happens, some part of an elevated land becomes in the process of weathering, but some portion of that land escape from weathering. Escape from weathering. These portions which escape from weathering are called residual mountains or relict mountains. Its example is Vindhyachal ranges, Aravalli ranges and Satpura ranges, and also eastern and western Ghat of India. It is about residual mountain or relict mountains. And in the next part we will discuss about the theories of mountain building. What is this?